Untitled. My name is Logan Tapuala. I am part of the Basic Samoa finance group. So I will be teaching you about how to spin it, not just the basic moves. So here we have a long side that's going to represent a knife. Here is a shorter side that's going to represent like going onto the tail. So when you start, you always have to have a knife on your left side. Might look like on my right, my left side. And then how I start, I always do the gussie like that. So how you do that is, remember, knife on the left side, and I grab my right hand, put it underneath, and then I just let it spin around my hand. When I catch it, I switch it to my left hand, and I do the same thing. And once you get used to it, you get faster and faster. And then from that, I switch to the two-handed Vili Lua. So it goes like this. So when it transitions, it will look like this. And how you do the Vili Lua, that's the same as the start. Long side on the left. And when you start, have your right hand on top, like before. It's basically spinning around your hand, but instead you're gonna go like that and catch it when it comes around, like a whole 360. But make sure you go at your own pace and don't hit yourself in the face. And then once you get better at that, you're gonna get faster and faster. But from here, I switch to this, side to side I call it. And from here, so it's gonna go from this, so when you transition, you're gonna catch it here, pretend like you're swatting flies away with a stick. And then once you get that, you get faster, you get it, and then from here, just go, remember, left side always starts, and from here, you do the same thing, but opposite. And yeah, those are the basic moves for Siva Afi. Hope you enjoy. It's fun, Vili Lua.